Music and dance. You know, children, Indian music includes a variety of folk, pop, and classical music. Indian classical music is Hindustani and Carnatic, and these has been developed over several eras. Eras means long periods of history. From very long period of time, these musics have been developed. Music in India is an important part of the social and religious lives of people. We, the people of India, give a lot of importance to music, and even in the religious and social ceremonies, music plays an important role. There are many devotional songs that has been composed for the Hindu deities, and they have been passed down from one generation to the other. So many devotional songs are also composed for the Hindu deities. What is the meaning of deities? Gods and goddesses. For our gods and goddesses, many devotional songs like bhajans are composed, and these are passed down from one generation to another. Indian dance forms have originated from different parts of the country. For example, children, Bharatnatyam, Kuchipudi, Kathakali and Mohiniyattam are the dance forms of southern region. So the dance forms of southern region are Bharatnatyam, Kuchipudi, Kathakali and Mohiniyattam. Kathak is a classical dance form that originated in the northern states of India. So from the northern states we have Kathak. And the dance form of our state is Odissi. Odissi is a classical dance form of the state of Orissa. In total, children, there are 8 classical dance forms in India. There are also many folk dances that can be seen in different parts of India. For example, Dandiya is a folk dance of Gujarat and Ghumar is a popular folk dance seen in Rajasthan. So the folk dance of Gujarat is Dandiya and the popular folk dance of Rajasthan is Ghumar. Now you see, children, some pictures of some famous classical dance forms are given. This will be your homework. You will try to search it on your own. Now let us see the last topic, preserving our heritage. So the Archaeological Survey of India is an Indian government organization, and this organization is responsible for the conservation and preservation of our heritage. The Archaeological Survey of India is responsible for conserving and preserving our heritage. However, this cannot be undertaken only by the government. So as we are the citizens, responsible citizens, it is also our duty that we take good steps and be responsible for preserving our heritage, for keeping safe, for not damaging it. We should be responsible as we are the citizens. So it is our duty to preserve, to safeguard our heritage. Our heritage helps us to learn about the history of our country and enables us to know more about our culture. So our heritage helps us to know more about our culture. It also encourages tourism and helps boost the economy. So children, we should not vandalize heritage property. Heritage should be always protected, should be kept in a proper way. What is the meaning of vandalize? Vandalize means we should not deliberately damage or destroy public or private property. Means willingly we should not destroy or write something on the walls or just pluck the flowers or anything which causes damage to it. We should not do that. It is important, children, that we should respect our heritage and take steps to protect it in order to retain its historical significance. So children, it is our duty that we should take steps, small steps, to protect it in order to retain its historical significance, so that next generation can also learn from our heritage. If we destroy it, how the next generation will learn? They won't be able to learn. So in order to retain its historical significance, its importance, it is our duty to protect and respect our heritage. Famous actress Hema Malini is a member of parliament and a trained Bharatnatyam dancer. So famous actress Hema Malini. She is a member of parliament and a trained Bharatnatyam dancer. You will learn this one. So children, this was all about the lesson. Go through the lesson once again. Read it thoroughly. If you have any doubt, you are free to ask. In the next video, we will discussing about the exercises and question answers. Thank you children.